What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Probably wondering why I'm dressed like this. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Amazon gift card codes, and Jeff Bezos is going to absolutely hate me for this. So this method is by far the easiest method I've found, and this is going to get you tons of free dollars into your Amazon account. These gift cards range from $100, maybe even up to $250, depending what's available on the website today. And I'm going to head over to my desk and run through the tutorial and show you guys how to get your free Amazon gift card codes. So let's do that now. Okay, so let's run through the instructions on how you can get your free stuff from Amazon. You've got to go to this website on your mobile phone, www.wavycoupons.com. So you gotta go to this website here, guys. This is a awesome website. They don't only have Amazon coupon pages, they have tons of stuff. So you gotta go to the search bar and search what you're looking for. Amazon. Now this is the Amazon gift card codes and coupons page. So click on this. And this is our gateway to free stuff on Amazon. You can see, guys, you can get a $100 Amazon promo code, you can get a 50% off technology code, and you can even get a $150 Amazon gift card code for completely free. So this is how you can get free stuff. As you can imagine, you can apply these codes and save yourself a bunch. Yeah, you can get free stuff. So click on show coupon. So in this case, this is a $100 Amazon gift card code. You need to unlock your code. Obviously, these codes are desirable, and this prevents someone from stealing them. As you can see, they are limited. So yeah, this is one per person. So I'm not going to do it. I've done this loads of times already, but you need to tap this button. Unlock code, and when this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It's super easy. It does take a few minutes, but I think it's worth it considering what you're getting. So yeah, that is it, guys. You've just got to go to Wavy Coupons, search for the Amazon page, follow through all of the instructions in this video and also on the website, and that's going to get you your free Amazon stuff. Hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button if you successfully done this, and I helped save you money, and I'll see you in the next one.